Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. There's a difference between growth mindset and fixed mindset in general. One will lead you to a successful life. One will lead you to an unsuccessful life. Let's compare the two. 1. Growth mindset is improvement. Fixed mindset lacks any reasons to grow. People who have growth mindset usually go on to see ways to improve themselves and understand that self-education is important in general. The individual with the fixed mindset is completely the opposite. 2. Growth mindset leads to motivation. Fixed mindset don't. The growth mindset can help someone to achieve their goals, while the fixed mindset will let someone to reach an unsuccessful life. 3. Growth mindset leads to an effort of mastery and practice of a skill. Fixed mindset believe that talent is not about effort and practice. Growth mindset is about having mastery and skills while being consistent about it. Fixed mindset thinks it's about luck, it's about being adherent to wealth, and many are negative mindsets about the fixed mindset. 4. Growth mindset see failure as temporary setbacks for achievement of goals. Fixed mindset do not. Growth mindset see failure as a learning opportunity in the near future, while the fixed mindset think one or multiple failures to find them, which is not true. 5. Growth mindset see someone's success as inspiration or motivation. Fixed mindset is based on jealousy. The growth mindset sees someone that legally achieved their own success as motivation. This also supported one part of my first video too, named the 7 signs that you're a successful person. Now, a fixed mindset is full of jealousy due to not taking action to make their dream as a reality in general. 6. Growth mindset see constructive criticism as an opportunity to grow. Fixed mindset don't. There's nothing wrong to step back and view constructive feedback as something to grow for opportunity in the future, while the fixed mindset claim that is something personal. The best thing to say is that the world doesn't revolve around you. Everyone have their own insecurity anyway, so why bother? Hopefully you enjoyed this video and find this educational too. If you don't have a growth mindset too, there is a way to change your fixed mindset to a growth mindset.